Żurek. ZHOO-rek. A soup as old as the Polish spring. From Wielkopolska, Greater Poland, the old cradle of the country, where flour and water are left to sour in a crock by the stove and slowly become the heart of a nation's table. Not a soup you cook in an afternoon, a soup you begin days before you ever light the fire. There is a patience built into Żurek that cannot be hurried. Its soul is not the sausage. It is not the egg. It is the sour itself. The żur, that gives the whole soup its name. Flour and water and a little garlic left on the counter for 3 quiet days. No vinegar, no shortcut, only time and the slow living work of the ferment. This is the taste everything else is built around. This makes enough for 6. 20 minutes to prepare, 35 minutes on the stove, a little under an hour once the starter is ready. And what it asks for is humble: flour and water for the sour, 6 cloves of garlic, smoked white sausage, a pot of vegetable broth, dried marjoram, marjoranic, 2 bay leaves, and 4 allspice berries, a spoon of horseradish, soured cream to finish, 6 eggs, soft-boiled and halved, salt, black pepper, and a little oil. It begins days ago in a clean glass jar. Half a cup of flour, 2 cups of water, 2 cloves of garlic. Stir them together. Cover the jar loosely and simply leave it. For 3 days, it sours on its own. When the day comes to cook, fill a deep pot with broth. Drop in 2 bay leaves, 4 allspice berries, more garlic, and the smoked white sausage left whole. Bring it up slowly. No hard boil, just the gentlest tremble at the surface, and let it go for 25 minutes. Slowly, the sausage gives its smoke to the broth. The garlic softens, the allspice opens, and the whole kitchen begins to fill with something warm and faintly sweet and very old. Lift the sausage out. Let it rest a moment. Then slice it into thick, soft rounds and slip them back into the pot. Now, the starter. 3 days it is waited. Strain it through a fine sieve and pour that pale, sour liquid into the broth, slowly, stirring all the while, and watch the pot change. The clear broth clouds. It turns soft and pale and opaque. This is the moment Żurek becomes itself. Now the soup is seasoned. gently. 2 teaspoons of dried marjoram, marjoranek, the herb that makes Żurek taste like Żurek. Rubbed soft between the fingers and let fall into the pot. A spoonful of horseradish for a quiet warmth. A little salt, a little black pepper. Stir once, slowly, and let it settle. The tartness, the smoke, the herb are all folding into one. To round the edges, temper the soured cream. Whisk half a cup with a little warm broth. Then stir it back in until the soup turns silky and pale. And the eggs. Lower 6 of them into gently boiling water for just 6 minutes. Then into cold water to stop them. Peel each one and cut it in half, the yolk still soft and gold at the center. Now, to serve. Ladle the soup deep and steaming into a warm bowl. Cloudy, tart, flecked with marjoram and dark with sausage. And on top, 1 soft egg, halved, resting on the surface like something just beginning to rise. This is Żurek, the bowl that waited 3 days to be poured. This is old food, older than the potato in Poland, older than the tomato. In the long centuries before either one arrived, a Polish kitchen kept it sour in a crock by the stove. Rye flour and water, turning tart all on their own. They called it żur. Żur, from an old word that simply meant sour. And Żurek, Żurek, is its gentler name. The little sour, the one dressed up for a feast. For most of its long life, Żurek was a soup of going without. Through the great fast before Easter, Wielki Post, meat and dairy were set aside for 40 days, and so people leaned on what the crock could give them. Sour rye, water, and whatever roots the winter had left. A thin, tart, meatless soup, eaten day after day until the fast was finally done. Poverty and patience shaped this bowl. And when the fast at last broke, they buried it. On the Saturday before Easter, in the old villages, there was a small and joyful rite, the burial of the żur, pogrzeb żuru, a pot of the sour soup carried out past the last house and tipped into the earth, or hung up in a tree to laughter. Goodbye to the fasting. Goodbye to the thin gray soup of Lent. Tomorrow, everything would change. Because on Easter morning, Wielkanoc, the very same soup returns, transformed. Now it is rich. Now there is smoked sausage in it, and a soft egg resting on top. The egg, the oldest sign of the spring and of life beginning again. The soup of the fast becomes the soup of the feast. And still today, in Poland, this is how the morning of Easter opens. Żurek, poured steaming before anything else is set down. Lift the bowl one last time. Breathe it in. Sour rye and smoke, marjoram and garlic, and the soft egg waiting at the center. Nothing more is needed. Żurek is the rarest kind of dish, one that still remembers where it came from. It carries the hunger of the fast and the joy of its breaking in the very same bowl. 3 days of patience, centuries of spring mornings, all of it poured out warm for whoever comes to sit down. And the table, at last, is set.